This unique property, located in the rolling hills of North Lake County, is situated on over 13 acres of lakefront pasture and hills. Fiddlers Green RV Park has 26 full-hookup RV sites, two 1,500 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath villas, a 1-bedroom, 1-bath park model, a bathhouse, and laundry. The equestrian amenities are anchored by the 9,600 square feet covered arena, unique to the area, horse barns, stalls, paddocks, tack and feed rooms, and plenty of grazing area. The park has been a long-established venue for many equestrian activities and a great place to camp and begin your exploration of over 100 miles of horse trails in the Ocala National Forest. With its unique flexibility, this property's tranquil surroundings would be a great setting for a nonprofit entity seeking a pastoral setting with a connection to the outdoors. With over 13 acres and plenty of room to build, the multi-generational family can enjoy this lifestyle while having an alternate source of income from the park operation. Contact your agent to arrange for a private showing or to receive more detailed information. Due to the ongoing operation of the park, no one should enter the property without being accompanied by the listing agent.